Segunda parte, episodio 2. No, épico. Ah, son empleados clase D.
SCP 407 la música.
Ah, ahorita lo veo.
Corn is that you don't just grow corn. You grow with corn.
O este es.
Now, as a corn farmer, or as some
Sí,
people
de
like to
Single
call
Forest.
me, shepherd of the
¿Puede ser
sheep.
ese? ¿El 407?
Mr. Connor, Dr. Mueller needs a test dummy in the Biohazard Center.
Oh, thank God.
No, wait, don't leave me! Yeah, so you got a
Peruano
Diet
X
Coke
de
there.
Muffy
No, that has
dice,
a lot of
no
corn
si ese
syrup.
se trata de la música.
Ah, sí, ese es. Ah, nice, nice.
Ah, yes, hello. I'm Dr. Mueller, and this is Dr.
No,
Mulligan.
este tipo de animaciones me encanta, bro. Está muy épico, me gusta, porque no es como dando siempre contexto de todo lo que pasa. Es como una historia, es como literal una serie, como Rick y Morty, o William the Horseman.
Biohazard Center of Fungal Study. Now, due to an incident with the fly traps from Venus, the botany wing's a little short on test subjects, so we do apologize for any inconvenience.
It's cool.
This is Dr. Powers, our on-site shrink and your temporary psychologist.
Well, what happened to my psychologist? Is he still trapped in the nightmare dimension?
I think you mean the night terror dimension.
Bueno.
It's an honor to meet you, Mr. Cornwall.
Fuck.
Oh.
Le puse los subtítulos en inglés, espérate.
It's Connor. God, don't talk to me about corn right now.
Connor, sorry. Well, I'm here if you needed to talk, formally or casually, and I promise I won't be too invasive as long as you promise that you're not secretly a telepathic wizard trying to steal my body.
Épico.
Okay.
This way, Mr. Connor.
I'm gonna get something to drink.
Yeah,
bien
get a
chido.
beer and forget that ever happened, right? Holy shit.
Vamos a ver qué mala onda. No mames.
among individuals, but not once have we experimented on someone with regenerative immortality.
Just so you know, it's very likely that you will die at least
Épico.
once listening to the song.
Dream Peruano
So, what is
X
it,
de
Ed
Muffy
Sheeran?
dice, básicamente tiene
We
nuevo
can't hear you, but
psicólogo,
I'm
el
sure that
otro
response
sigue
is
en
well
la
funny.
dimension del
And we'll be
terror
starting the
XD,
music
lo
in
dijo con
3,
tanta normalidad.
Lit, bro. Lo dijo como que, bueno.
Fine day, people open windows, they leave their houses just for a short while. They walk by the grass and they look at the grass, they look at the sky. It's going to be a fine night tonight. It's going to be a fine day tomorrow.
No.
They leave their houses just for a
What the fuck? ¿Qué? What? Creo todo. What?
They look at the sky. It's going to
Christ,
be
I hope this isn't permanent.
That's interesting.
You're doing great, Connor.
Wow, that's all me? We're on some Buddha shit right here.
You'll begin to notice various types
Some
of fauna
bullshit. Parece como un lugar budista, no mames.
evolving from your original corpse. They'll be attracted to the music, so don't let them break the speaker.
Oh. Shit, we got beats. God, stay the hell away from me.
Génesis.
Ah, ¿es la canción del Génesis? Oh, es que no pasó por todas las etapas. Pasó bien rápido por todas las etapas, men. Ah.
Unlucky?
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Chale, no vimos.
Unlucky?
You won't have my babies. Okay, you can have one baby. No, 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 no.
Oye, pero qué cool de que se transformó como en un árbol, ¿no? What? Oh, bro, me encanta esta animación, me encanta.
This is new.
Esto es nuevo.
There's a containment breach. We need to shut down all facilities.
No.
Oh dear.
What? ¿La canción del Genesis puede crear eso? Eso es nuevo, ¿no? Mató a alguien.
Stop. Listen, I'm not some tree deity or forest spirit or whatever you think I am. I'm just a guy who was also a tree who couldn't be killed.
No puedo morir.
No, man, you got this.
¡Oh! ¡Lo mató! ¿Cómo? Pero ese era... No, ese no era el corazón, ¿no? Ese no era el corazón, no. El corazón que de carta.
Are we actually doing this? Are we actually leaving? I'm getting out.
¡Oh! ¡Qué épico! No. ¡Oh! ¡Épico! ¡Oh! ¡No!
So, you claim the humanoid entity invaded your mind and convinced you that you wanted to escape the facility.
Is that so hard to believe? Come on, there's a giant slug downstairs that transforms into your greatest sexual
Pero
desire.
no sabía que podía crear animales la canción del Génesis. Yo pensaba que nomás honguitos y ya. Bro, pero damn, es que como el tipo no podía morir, literal, canción seguía. Bro, oye, me encanta esto.
But this is too much.
Wait, it transforms?
What?
What?
Has it been 30 minutes yet?
Connor, you can tell me if you wanted to escape. I don't have to write it down. This facility is pretty grim and dark, and they put you through a lot of horrible tests. If you're feeling like, yo, fuck this, and fantasize about escaping, then you can tell me.
I guess I'm pretty meh about it.
Meh.
Well, it's a start.
Oh no, qué épico, me encantó. Oh, ¿quieres ver otro? Espérate, primero voy a poner este en ver ahora. No, está épico, me encanta. Oh, estás acá. Estoy en Twitch en este momento. Vamos, será divertido.